guys, Brian here. I messed up big time. Okay, I made another rookie mistake, and I gotta own up to it. When I replaced the S-cam, I was sold 2. I only asked for 1. I ended up buying 2 somehow. I put the wrong side on, the driver's side. So I got to take all apart again and put this one in. This is the right side. So that's what I'm into right now. I'm not going to do a lot of video because, you know, like I said, I got to get this done. We got sunny weather. Well, you can see the clouds, so I don't got time to talk too much. So I'm going to get this done. Later. Got all the lug nuts off. Now we're going to take this bad boy off. Let me go get my tool that Justin sent us. Next step is take the bud lug nuts off. And for that I got this special impact thing. It works alright. I'm not gonna say it's the best in the world, but it works alright. Thankfully, I kind of know what I'm doing since I've already done this once. Hopefully, you guys can see me. I don't know if you can see that well. Here, this may be a better spot for you. That way you're not in the sun. Okay, let me show you guys where I messed up. This is where I messed up, right? See the S-cam? See the S-cam? So this one needs to go in right like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take pry bar, lift those pads up, and or I'll show you guys how I do it. Let's go get pry bar real quick. This one, and then also let's grab this. pounder. Okay. Sorry, I got you guys all sideways and everything. Trying to do this as fast as I can because I got other stuff I'd rather be doing on this than this. Okay, basically, instead of undoing all the springs, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jam this up there, lift that up, take these roller bearings out, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take, there's a keeper on the back side of this. I'm gonna take that off. I'm gonna slide it out this way, slide the new one in. At least that's kind of my plan. Okay. Just took that keeper off of there with just a regular screwdriver. I stuck it behind this and then twisted it sideways, popped it right off. We're gonna pull these off so they don't drop. Hey, quit touching stuff. Yeah, you just threw something at me. Okay, we may have to. We'll adjust the slack adjuster so this is loose. Okay, guys, I got the other new one out. I got this one put in. I had to undo these 4 mounting bolts down here. I'm not gonna put the slack adjuster on quite yet. What I'm gonna do is actually I can. I just have to put that in the right angle for the it's got to be right there. You got to make sure you know where this angle is so those roller bearings can sit right there. That way I can put this on without messing around with it. That'll just slide right over the top once I put those bushings back on there, and then we'll get that all buttoned up. Alright guys, I'll be back with you in a sec. Okay guys, I got that pushed in with those bushings in there. Now I'm gonna put the put these bushings right over the top of that, right? And then this bad boy goes in right over the top of that. I'm gonna have to hammer that one down. Oh yeah, that hurt my hand. Okay, that's on there nice and seated. We got this on there. Now we're gonna cinch back up these bolts, put these lock washers back on there. As you can see, I put some anti-seize on there because when I went to take those off the first time, they were on there good. Had to break out the impact wrench to get them off, which, you know, it's not a bad thing. They should be on tight, but they were on there. They were on there good. I was almost afraid I was gonna break them. Make sure they're torqued to right spec. Put those on there. There's that one. Those are on good. Okay. Now, okay, so this is all put back together. Now, here's the fun part. We get to put those shoes back on. And I'll show you how I did it. Because I was watching a video and they did it just a little bit different than me. Some other guy's video, I don't know who it was. And the easiest way I've found to do it, right? The guy that did his video, he hooked these small springs on first to that side. I found that it was easier for me to hook this big long spring on first. That was just personally what I have found. Goes on that little groove, right? That goes right there. That goes right there. Okay, so this is basically how I got it sitting, right? No roller bearings. This spring is on, right? Then, what I like to do, this is the way I found was the easiest for me, is I take these springs right here, clip them on the top, right? Clip them on the top, and you take yourself a screwdriver with a notch in it, right? And then, I'll just show you. 10 times easier to just show you. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but we're gonna give this a go. I hooked the screwdriver on that hook, right? Just like that, guys. There's one. There's two. Okay, that was easy peasy. Right? You always want to push down because pushing down is easier than pushing up. Okay, then you take yourself a nice little pry bar just like this. Stick that in there. Actually, yeah, stick it right in there like this. Let's do the bottom first. It's easiest. Okay, actually, let's do the top first. You want to do the top first because it's easier to get leverage on the bottom one. Okay, so do the top first. So you take your little roller bearing in your hand, right? Try to get all the gunk off of it. Okay. Take this bad boy, lift it up, put it right on there. Okay. Then, to do the bottom, same thing. You just do it in reverse, basically. Not rocket science, guys. You just push down on that bad boy, put it in there. Ta-da! Give me 2 more seconds. You see that, fellas? Then it's sitting on both of the roller arms. Now, time to put the drum back on. which is a heavy part. Just like that. Okay. That's how you change an S-cam, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Pound that like button. Pound that subscribe button. Comment, share this on your social media site of preference.